What is going on, guys? This is your boy here from Africa, man. You guys see in the garage, I got a brand new tire that just got delivered. I replaced my shocks on one of my truck, my front shock, because my tire went bad. What happened is one side of the tire just chewed down, like completed, and the rest of this here, you know, stay in shit, right? So the other side would just boom, completed, went off. And I went to the tire shop at the Love Truck Stop, and they told me shocks and alignment, these two things, I need to check it out. So then I realized that the shock on the truck been on the truck since it was manufactured 2016, never been changed. Maybe I'll be able to put some image on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I changed the shock and I did an alignment because I didn't want it to put new tire before doing that. You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead, I changed the shock, and I did an alignment for $250 for front and rear, everything. So now I got this tire delivered. You guys can see, really nice. It got the, I don't know what is that. I don't know. It's really nice though. It's kind of like the similar tire that I have on my other truck, but I think that one is Bridgestone. This one's Goodyear's, and this same tire too in Firestone, but it's kind of like the same price. So I just, you know, I say let me take Goodyear's, but I think Firestone is a good brand too. All right, you guys can see that really good tire. All right, I ordered that on Walmart.com and it got delivered by FedEx. All right, so FedEx just dropped it off this morning, and I'm gonna put that in my Toyota and take it to the tire shop. I call the tire shop. You have to look for a commercial tire shop, you know, not just a regular auto tire shop, commercial tire shop, and ask them, you know, they will give you the price. So they told me $40 for installment and then $40 for balance. So I don't know if it's $40 a piece or $40 for both, but whatever it is, even if it's 40 a piece, that would be 80 plus balance, 120. That's good. This is gonna last for a year. The reason I'm making this video is you guys need a tire, go to Walmart.com, open your Walmart. Walmart is kind of competing with Amazon now. Open your Walmart account and you can buy everything out there, all right? Amazon does the same thing, but I think Walmart is great because you can pick it up from any Walmart store or you can have it shipped to your house for free, right? Let me go ahead and line it up with the truck so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You guys can see that? You can see my my Toyota tires is in the middle there, right? So this thing is huge, like huge. Almost close to the headlight right there. So this thing is huge. Big tire, and I really like it. When I first saw it, I said, this tire looks too big. Is it gonna fit on my truck? But you know, you go by that number. All right, this is the number that on my old tire. Yeah, man, I'm here at this tire shop. They do nothing but heavy duty trucks. You got, all right. So they charging me about $120, including balance. I mean, I think it's okay though. And they're pretty quick. I don't have to schedule the points, man. As soon as I got here, boom, they jump in on it right away. Yeah, so that's it. You know, go online and get your tire. I got this tire online by plus taxes. It came up to $1,200, $1,200 and change. You know, and I spent $120 to install and balance and everything. So around 13 to change. That's better. So, yep. This bad boy look rusty though. I don't know. This is a good time if you have time to look on your wheel or something like that to see what is going on. But I mean, everything is good to me so far. That rust, it's no big deal to me. The brakes are good. I think same thing over here as well. So, you know, sometimes you don't have the chance to get close to that like this, but for the fact that they are taking care of that, so it's a great chance for me to take a good look to see what is going on there. Because sometimes when the tire is there, you cannot see anything. I wish I had my grease gun. I'll be able to grease, but that's all right. So you guys see here, this is my brand new shocks. I did it myself and everything, so the truck is good. So this guy over here, they are my brothers, man. You know, Spanish guys, hardworking just like myself. That's all they do, you know. If you don't have money to buy like a brand new tires, you can come see them. They have some used tire, you know. The company that have money, they follow the maintenance, and you know, because let's take a look at this tire, for example. This is Goodyear, right? But you see, I think it's not bad. You know, if you don't have money and you come see them for this tire, maybe they can sell it to you or something. Who knows? This look like a recap tire, all right? But it's something you can put on your truck in the meantime until maybe, who knows? All right? But like I say, if you come see them, you know, they can find a good tires for you. You know, recommend you a good used tire. But if you in this business, you don't want to be buying a used tire. If you're able to buy a brand new tire, get yourself a brand new tire. So that's the boy from Africa. I got love for you guys. I see many of you guys asking me that I'm not dropping videos. I have to do all of this stuff myself and keep my job. Yes, sir. I'll take it. Just leave. Yes, sir. Just leave it right there. I'll take it. So that tire is still looking good. Thank you so much. Yeah. So the passenger side tire is still looking good. So I told him to give it to me. I'm gonna keep it just as a backup. You know, if one of my trucks, both of my trucks use the same tire size, you know, if you know some in the future I need a tire to replace, you know. And the good thing is the steel tire, you can use it on the bike too. You can use it here, just in case one of these tires go bad, and if I'm broke, I hope I don't get broke. I can, you know, swap this in the meantime until I get a replacement. That's a good thing about a tire that go in the front. The front tire, you can use it in the back, but you cannot use the back tire in the front. All right, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna drop this in my truck, and when I get home, I will put it in my basement. You always want to look at that number, all right, on your old tire before you go purchase it. All right, pretty sure I already show you guys this. But this is the number on the old tire. Well, I got the same number in the front, same number in the back. Fresh tire, man. That's the main road. Fresh tire. Yeah. Good. Alright guys, I'm done and I'm going home. Right now, the truck, I'm not gonna say driving like a new truck, but it feels really good to have a new tire, especially when it comes to your front tire, right? You got a lot going on the front tire, so that's part right there. You don't want to mess with that. If your front tire is going bad, you want to replace it. And also, one of the big benefits when it comes to getting a new tire is that your truck will stop really quick if you hit the brake. All right, even though truck take a while to stop, but compared to the old tire, as soon as you hit the brake, you can feel that. You know, sometimes you even think like you have like a whole new set of brake, right? But it's all due to the tire. All right, and also you're gonna get, you know, good amount of gas mileage. Can you imagine the old tire was on the truck? This truck was sucking gas because of that. Alright, so now MPG gonna go up. Alright, since I've been in this trucking business, this is my first time get to replace tire myself, like buy the tire to replace it on my truck. I'm looking forward to this tire, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna last long for the fact that I have alignment done, brand new shock is done, everything. So you guys want to share with me any tips out there that, you know, will help you keep your tire for a long time? You want to leave it in the comment section. But for now, this is your boy from Africa. I am going home. I got a lot going on, guys. I have to manage maintenance and all that stuff, right? So you guys stay safe, man. Peace and love.